Ricky? What do you want to do today? Grab your bone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Degelman farm. I've just got a few chores I got to do here yet this afternoon. We got to take care of the chickens, and then we've got a battery we got to replace on. I don't know if you remember from some of the earlier videos, we did the solar powered log shed where we put the battery in there. Well, I had that deep cycle battery. It was 9 years old and it wasn't holding a charge. So I got a new battery the other day and we're going to install that. That won't take very long, but first let's take care of the chickens here. And Ricky waits patiently for me to finish taking care of the chickens. Well, there, we'll grab that other battery, the new deep cycle battery I got, and we'll put that on. My system was working, it appeared to be working, but the battery itself was bad, and we're going to solve that here momentarily. Okay, got that in place. Got our positive and our negative terminals on that come from both from the solar panel and to the, and I dropped the nut in there. Good job, David. Something I can fish that out of there with. All right, let's put this one on before I lose more stuff. Now I gotta lift the darn battery back up out of there. There, I got the terminals hooked up. Correct, I got the polarity right because the lights are working. It's probably not charging. It doesn't show a charge on the regulator right now because I'm guessing that battery's fully charged and it doesn't need any. Well, that's going to be about it for today. We got the battery replaced, took care of that. We took care of the chickens, so that's going to be about all for today. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.